100% of the light you see projected onto your screen comes from this lamp, so it's a good idea to keep this as clean as possible. This is a Pioneer Pro-FPJ1 digital video projector. It's the cousin to the JVC RS2 model. It is an older video projector, but these are capable of delivering picture quality on par with anything that's out there today. Today we're going to go over how to keep your projector in tip-top running condition. Stay tuned. The first step is to disconnect the power source to your projector before doing anything with it. The LED on top that says standby should be off. We're going to turn the power to ours off right now. There went the power. We have our projector plugged into a Panamax surge protector, just for safety. The main light path on these projectors is sealed, so there won't be anything you can do internally to service it without taking the projector apart, such as cleaning the fan, things of that nature. In this video, we're only going to go over cleaning the externally cleanable items, such as the fan intake filter and the lamp housing itself. The first thing you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver to take off the lamp cover. Remove the Phillips head screw that retains the lamp cover. The bulb in these projectors is rated for roughly 2,500 hours or so, but according to reports online, they can last much longer than that. One of the main enemies of the lamp is excess heat. Now that the lamp cover is off, we're actually looking at the rear of the high pressure lamp itself. It has a metal handle right here, and there are 2 additional Phillips head screws just inside. With both of those screws completely loosened, the lamp housing itself should be removable at this point. Pull and slightly wiggle and slide out the lamp assembly. At this point you can inspect the lamp reflector, anything unusual, and what we're going to be cleaning today is the lamp lens and the prism inside the projector itself. Be careful when handling the lamp assembly not to subject it to any significant shock, as they are fairly fragile. We're going to grab some paper towels and some cleaning solution and get to work. After cleaning the exterior glass of the lamp, this is what came off. We try to remember to clean ours every few hundred hours. Now, depending upon how dirty of an environment your projector is run in, it may benefit from being cleaned more or less often than this. You really can't do it too often, you're not going to hurt anything. But these projectors are known for a relatively low light output, but they do have an exceptional contrast ratio. So keeping the light system clean in this projector will give you the best possible picture. We're shining a flashlight inside where the projector lamp goes so you can see the prism. This is also going to benefit from a thorough cleaning. Let's see what comes off of it. Alright, we just gave that prism a thorough cleaning, and that's what came off of it. Now that may not look like all that much dirt, but to the lighting system of the projector, that can mean a lot. 100% of the light you see projected onto your screen comes from this lamp. Anything that will reduce that light output is going to affect your picture quality. So it's a good idea to keep this as clean as possible. Even if you don't happen to have this exact same model of projector, there are many of them on the market that share a similar setup. So cleaning your lamp assembly and the fan intake is important no matter which projector you have. Next we're going to move on to the fan intake filter. On this projector, it's located just forward of where the lamp assembly is. There's a small tab right here. You're going to pull that up and out. This protects dirt from entering the fan assembly inside your projector. We have a can of electronics duster we're going to use to go ahead and clean the filter outside. Be sure to clean the filter from the inside out so that you're pushing any embedded dirt off of the filter. These filters can also be rinsed underwater and allowed to carefully air dry. Do not reinstall the filter back into your projector until it's completely dry if you choose to use that method. In this case, the filter wasn't super dirty because we are pretty diligent about keeping ours clean, but regardless of how dirty yours is, the process is still the same. This will help your fan to breathe a lot easier and keep your lamp system cool. Since we did not use water to clean ours, I'm going to go ahead and reinstall it by sliding it back in the slot, making sure it completely seats. That's about it. Now we can reinstall the lamp. This lamp has over 1,000 hours on it, but still appears to be in excellent condition. The amount of light output will drop slowly over time as you put more and more hours on your projector. The bulb will usually give you a fairly clear indication when it's reaching the end of its lifespan, because the light output will gradually diminish to the point where it's really noticeable. Reinstallation is exactly the reverse of removal. Just carefully slide it back in. Make sure the electrical contacts properly seat. You'll feel kind of a click. Then tighten your Phillips head screws again. There's no need to impress anyone with how tight you can make the screws. They really just only need to be snugged up. This would be a lot easier if the camera were on a tripod, but where our projector is located, it's just not really conducive to using a tripod. So handheld it is. Once the screws are snugged, fold the metal handle flat again and reinstall your lamp cover. If you have some other brand of projector that isn't a JVC or the Pioneer, while the cosmetics will be different and the removal of the lamp assembly is probably going to be slightly different, the majority of projectors out there do have a removable lamp system, and it's very important to keep it clean no matter what the brand and model of your projector is. There is a warning here about the high pressure lamp that it may explode if it's improperly handled, which is why we gave you the warning early on. Once you have the lamp screws snugged down, the lamp cover replaced, and the filter reinstalled, you are safe to go ahead and reapply AC power to your projector. Go ahead and fire it up, give it some content, and enjoy the brighter, sharper, crisper picture. It's worth mentioning that when this projector was new, it cost $9,000, which was $1,000 higher than the JVC RS2. We only mention it because in this day and age, these projectors are available for literally pennies on the dollar and still provide exceptional picture quality. Here's the full-featured remote control for this projector, which even includes a backlight for use in a dimly lit theater. Really cool. We got this projector for a song and absolutely love the picture quality. Alright, we're going to take off our lens cover, mash the power button, turn green, and see what happens. The fan just started to spool up. These projectors take probably close to 30 seconds before they start to create light output. You can just see the lamp warming up now inside the lens. We're not going to point the camera directly inside the lens of the projector because they do put out a lot of light. Here we go. This may seem like a no-brainer, but we'll mention it anyway. Don't ever look directly inside your projector lens with the lamp running, because it could definitely hurt your eyes. Let's take a look at the screen. Alright, we're firing up one of our all-time favorite PlayStation games. It's a racing game called Split Second. Was never a super popular title, but our feeling is it's probably one of the best racing games ever made. Here's the projector lamp hours. It's currently at 1,210. We try and clean it every 300 or so hours to keep everything in tip-top shape. So that's about it, folks. If you have one of these projectors or something similar and you benefited from this video, by all means, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to mash that notifications button so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.